Hi, I'm here with speaking practice with simple sentences of future tense. Let's start speaking practice. I'm describing my daily routine life or my daily routine in simple sentences of future tense. Let's start. I shall wake up in the morning at 5 a.m. I shall offer my prayer at 5:30 a.m. I shall go for a walk at 6 a.m. I shall make beds of my family members on return back from walk. I shall make breakfast for my family members. We shall take breakfast at 8 a.m. My children will go to school after breakfast. Rest of my family members will go to their offices for work. I shall make lunch for my family. We shall gather for lunch at 2 p.m. After lunch, my children will sleep and rest of my family members will go back to their offices. I shall go to market. I shall buy fruits and vegetables. I shall make tea for all of us. We shall take tea at 6 a.m. 6 p.m. My children will do their homework. We shall watch TV program. We shall eat dinner at 9 p.m. I shall make beds for my family members. I shall lock doors. I shall check my social media. I shall turn off lights. We shall sleep at 10 p.m.